Shadows creep across the land, the dining hour is close at hand. Spicy scents float through the wood to tantalize your neighborhood. At Dutchie Grill we shall be found to have the soul for getting down. Our great dishes, which all can tell, will put you under our Jamaican spell. Amazing aromas float through the air, Caribbean cuisine over 400 years. Our tempting spices you'll love to pay while dining and enjoying your excellent stay. As we serve great food and always provide, you start to shake and thrill with pride. For a mere mortal can't resist the flavors of Dutchie and Grill. Happy Halloween.